Hello and welcome back to another video from How to Webmaster. Today let's check out the AI powered business ideas generator tool by 4PPO. Go here and enter in what you're good at, what passion you have, and it'll generate some cool ideas for you to make some money with. So let's check it out. Augmented reality stuff. So here are some of the ideas. It'll give you about 30, and let's check out some of these ideas. Interior design, guided tours, try on clothing for retailers. So this is good for some local business. So these are all pretty good ideas, and any one of these can actually do pretty good. You put your effort into it. Augmented reality escape rooms, staging, home staging for real estate, car customization, pet training. So if you want to dig deeper, you can always copy and paste. So let's do this one, copy. If you want to dig deeper into any one of these ideas, and let's paste right here. And you can also go down here and copy all of the ideas. But anyways, let's check out this augmented reality escape room idea right here. So we got some VR with augmented reality elements, educational escape room for school, escape room for birthday parties, mystery, historical. So very cool ideas. If you want to dig deeper into any one of these, once again just copy and paste into here, and you have unlimited ideas for any kind of passion topic you have. Powered by AI, it will give you some good business ideas to make money with. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet and business marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again.